Hi, I'm Tricia, and today I want to tell you about a DAB radio from ViewQuest. It's called the Blighty. I remember when these things used to be the size of 2 house bricks, and now it sits easily in the palm of your hand. It's nicely curved. And the back of it is brushed aluminium, so I don't feel like it's going to drop easily, even though the glass front might be a little bit fragile. I think I'll keep that in a case. It charges up with micro USB. That's the on-off switch. Let's switch it on. That is a nice little piece of kit. The screen's nice and easy to read. You can see I would be listening to Radio 5 if I had the headset in. And as well as having DAB radio, mode switches you into FM if you really want all the hisses and cracks and pops that you get with FM. I'll go back to DAB. Much better. This thing finds every single DAB radio station that it should be able to where I am. Some of them it's a bit too weak and it sounds like they're gargling. But then again, if I do get a signal that's worth listening to, it's crystal clear. You can even save up to 10 of your favourite channels on presets and find them just by pressing the OK button for a second or so, and you can either recall a preset or save it to one if you haven't already saved it. Really simple to use. There's only one flaw that I've found in this thing. That's these. I'll forgive them that they only sent medium-sized earbuds, because it's easy enough to get the little rubber things that are smaller or larger depending. What really bothers me is that if that is taken out, I can do a full scan. See how many radio stations I can get. There we are, none. This thing is useless without its headphones. These headphones are the antenna. They are your aerial. What happens if these get damaged? It winds me up, does this? These look cheap. They probably are. But the only other wired headset that I've found that works anywhere near as good as an aerial is Sennheiser PX100s. Those are 30 quid. Or they were a few years ago when I bought them. If they would sell these things as a replacement, I would be a lot happier about it, because if these get chewed by the dog, that's a very pretty paperweight you've got. Other than that, this is a seriously nice piece of kit, and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy using it, but I'm really going to take care of these.